Hi Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ang inyong Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for October 16, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa Daily Tarot Reading natin. Para po sa gusto magpa-reading, maaari nyo pong makuha ang link sa description box po ito. Message nyo lang po ako sa Messenger. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guys, ano po ang ganap today para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong October 16, 2023? Spirit guides. You are building your security, stability, nagkaroon ng stability, and you are receiving a reward. Reward, may pleasure din, and flattery. And you are taking time for your home. Nagkaroon ng authority dito and ng boundaries. You are putting boundaries. Spirit guys, at message nyo po for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for today, October 16, 2023. View from above, get the big picture. Taking shelter, the answers are within. Let's see your energy for today. Spirit guys, energy po today ngayong October 16, 2023 para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Makatanggap kayo ngayon ng love message. Sweetness, gentleness, malakas ang inyong intuition ngayon. You're showing your kindness to everyone. May matatanggap kang mensahe ngayon galing sa isang unexpected na tao, sa isang sources. Pwede din itong galing sa isang tao na mas bata pa sa'yo o ito yung intuition mo. May gustong mag-reach out sa'yo, gusto niyang humingi ng sorry. May good news na darating. This card tells you na don't let your emotions get in the way. So this is a reverse card na you are releasing your emotion. Nagkaroon ng choices dito. So this card tells you na this is a good sign na binando na mo yung toxic na tao, toxic na environment. You have your freedom. In health, a difficult cycle is about to end. Nawala yung addiction and bad habits mo. Nalampasan mo na, this is called recovery. Let's see your career and money, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for today, October 16, 2023. Career and money, spirit guides. This is a time of enjoyment and you are feeling safe sa inyong workplace. Nagkaroon ng financial security? Opo, financial security is yours. So, relax and enjoy mo yung mga achievement mo. Take a break kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho para pagbalik mo, recharge na yung energy. Work can wait. You'll still be abundant after a well-deserved vacation. Mag-ingat kasi sa trabaho mo ngayon may nagmanipula sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang bagay, sa isang tao. Block din yung intuition nyo ngayon. So, baka sa workplace nyo po ito. Opo, sa workplace nyo po ito na nagkaroon ng blockages. Hinahayaan mo ang tao na manakit sa'yo. Hindi ka pa ready sa isang new cycle sa inyong buhay, karera, sa inyong kaperahan. Natatakot ka pa. Nagpapadala ka sa takot. Nabibigatan kang magdesisyon. So this card asks you to calm and balance. Let's see your love and romance, self-love, partnership, and romance. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for today po, October 16, 2023. Spirit guides. Nag-decide kang mag-move on mula sa mapanakit na pangyayari. Sa mga may relasyon, posible itong nagpasya kayong mag-live-in or maglipat bahay para magbuo ng pamilya. This card warns you na mag-ingat sa taong may mali at masamang paratang sa iyo. Nagkaroon ng disbalansa dito, either sa career, sa relationship nyo, sa inyong sarili, sa kasamahan nyo sa bahay. Sa isang importanteng sitwasyon ngayon, nagkaroon ng disbalanse. This card advise you to find your voice and stay strong to your values. Basta panatilihin mo yung maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Sa kasabihan pa, with the right values, reward comes. Hidden truth po, anong iniisip mo, anong iniisip niya? Hidden truth po para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong araw na ito, October 16, 2023. Sa mga single, I know I was a distraction from your pain. Sa mga may relasyon, I am becoming a better person. Love advice po, self-love. Love advice po para sa mga single, spirit guides, para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong araw na ito, October 16. These things come and go. Surrender to the universe. Harvest the fruits of your hard work. Wow. So this is the confirmation of your hard work na nagkaroon ng magandang result. Love advice po para sa couple natin, mag-asawa, in relationship, sa couple natin na fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong araw na ito, October 16, 2023. This is trust. You need to have trust in a relationship in order for it flourish. And attraction, divine soul counterpart attraction transcends superficiality. Kabuang advice nyo po sa araw na ito, October 16, 2023, para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong araw na ito, October 16, 2023. Step out from your comfort zone. And the end of a tough cycle approaches. So yung sa mga nahirapan ngayon, this is the message from the universe na the end of a tough cycle approaches. Message from angels, archangels, guardian angels. Message from Archangel Raguel, be fair in all situation, resolve your conflict. So, this is the confirmation na may ganap na away. Opo, dito po. Na may ganap na away dito. So, message from Archangel Raguel, be fair in all situation, resolve your conflicts. Yan po yung advice. Message from Archangel Jersisa. Create a solid spiritual foundation. Be in a service to the planet. That is your reading today. Ngayong October 16 po. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.